If you find it difficult to come up with things to talk about off the top of your head, then this video is completely for you. It's important that you start a conversation with a girl on the right foot if you want her to become more attracted to you. Here are 3 great techniques for opening conversations indirectly. An indirect approach works because it allows you to spark awesome, off-the-cuff conversation while still being yourself. So today in this video, you are going to know exactly that. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. So let's get started. Number 1. Observe her. Comment on something she's holding or wearing. It can be a statement or a question. For example, if she's holding a drink at a bar, ask her how she likes it. If she's wearing unique shoes, find out where she got them from. Pay attention to the minute details. Number 2. Observe your surroundings. Comment on something that's happening around you, both in that moment. For example, if you are at a bar and there's a band playing, make a comment about the singer's voice. Again, being able to have conversations on the fly is all about paying attention to the minute details that are around you. Number 3. Make it something about her but not her completely. Give her a compliment. This technique is a little more direct, but it's a great way to start a conversation with a girl who you are interested in. The important thing with this one is to stay away from the most obvious compliments that most guys would be giving her. If she's got a tattoo, don't compliment her on that. It's too easy. Hair and piercings? No, not at all. These are quite obvious and every other guy is complimenting her on those. You need to be unique to spark her interest, especially at the start of the conversation. Compliment her indirectly by saying something about her dress, like this: "There is something about you that makes this dress look very pretty." By saying this, you give the person more importance than the dress she is wearing. Don't be too direct with flirting. So that's it for today's video, guys, and with that being said, thank you for watching.